Turn on Bluetooth in the camera menu. Please do not close this interface. The following operations will be performed on the monitor. Tap the screen to bring up the menu, tap Camera, and select BMD Bluetooth. Tap Add New Device, find and select this device. At this time, the camera menu will pop up a Bluetooth pairing code. Enter the Bluetooth pairing code on the monitor and tap Pair. When the camera interface shows connected and the monitor control panel pops up, the connection is successful. For future connections, when you turn on the monitor and want to connect to the camera, you do not need to re-enter the password. Simply go to My Devices, find your camera, and connect. Tap Rec to start or stop recording on the camera. Tap Iris to adjust the aperture value. Tap Shutter to adjust the shutter angle. Turn on Auto Exposure to switch to Auto Exposure mode. Tap ISO to adjust the ISO sensitivity. Tap Focus and drag the slider to change the focus. Tap Zoom to change the lens focal length. This option only works if the camera is using a motorized zoom lens. Otherwise, the zoom option cannot be adjusted. Tap Color Temp Tint to adjust the white balance, color temperature, and tint of the image. Tap FPS to adjust the frame rate. Tap Recording Codec to change the video codec used for recording. Tap Resolution Aspect Ratio to change the video recording resolution and aspect ratio. Tap Playback to review recorded files.